Hello and welcome back. I wanted to do another tutorial. Fancy that. On a song. So I'm going to walk you through it. Fools Rush In, Elvis Presley style. Acoustic version that I really like. So, yeah, walk through it real quick. Make this one quick and easy. I think if you were to play along to the acoustic version that he does, I think the capo is going to need to be on the 2nd fret here. Chords as follows. So I know when you watch people or you pull up tabs on it, it's going to tell you to start on a C and go to an E minor, A minor, which sounds beautiful. I love it, but I do it a little differently. So I do the G in place of the E minor. What you can do, actually, it would be a cool idea for like the intro, do the G as I do to the A minor. And then when you maybe sing the verses, however you want to do it, you could do the sing over the E minor. So your preference. What I like to tell people a lot of the time, and when you're teaching people and they're learning, they're always so, oh, it sounds wrong or it sounds different, it doesn't sound right. There's no right or wrong way to do it. If it sounds good, you're doing a good job. So that's just kind of been my motto. So when I play things, I do it to what I feel sounds good. So the G follows the vocal melody, in my opinion. So it's wise man, because you're hearing that, right? Because it's how he's singing it. Say. So, anyways, enough rambling. The verse starts off on a G. Excuse me. Let's get our chord shapes right. C to an A minor. So we're gonna go C, G, A minor. So I walk that up. So it's boo doo doo. Now to an F. So again, C, to a C, G. So that's the first half of the verse. So the verse is composed of two chunks is what we're going to do. So the first part, C, G, A minor, F, C, G. All right, that's the first half. I was kind of finger picking it because I like to do that. It gives me like the vocal melody. Okay, now the second part of that starts off on the F to a G, but I leave everything open. I pretty much hit the root note G and leave everything else open. I mute the A string. I just always do that. So, but that's going to give me that to an A minor. F, F, G, C. Okay, so, and then it starts over from there. So I'll walk you through that again real quick. First half, I'm going to tie it together with the second half. So I'm just going to strum it out. So those are the chords for the verse. So C, ocean. For I can't help falling in love with you. All right, so I kind of mumbled the words there. I don't sing, but I want you to kind of feel the flow of how it goes. And then we go into the, I guess it would be the chorus. Like a river flows. So we're gonna play E minor, B7. And the B7 is just pretty much drop your finger down. So we got E minor, we're gonna drop that down, but we're also gonna add this guy here. So it's just, yeah, so that's how it goes. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Now we go to an A7 something, which is just like an A minor. Just lift up your ring finger there. To a D, it's actually a D minor, but I just play the D and I mute the bottom string with my pinky over here because really you only need that root note. And it makes it easier for me to get back. You might like the D minor better, so you can get back to that C, because that's right where it starts over. So E minor flows, E minor to the C, E minor, so it goes, that some things are meant to be. Shall So yeah, for I can't help with you. And that's the outro. For I can't help falling in love with you. That is it. So it's just the two parts. Verses broken up into two pieces, and then your chorus. So yeah, I hope that helps. And like I said, if it sounds good, roll with it. And if it's comfortable strumming it, strum it. If you can finger pick it, do that. There's really no wrong way. It's kind of as long as the overall tone is there's really no wrong way to do it. If you can sing it, jam it, groove it, play it, and it sounds good, it is good. So yeah, hope that was easy to follow. I'm still getting used to the whole tutorial thing here, but I want to share with you guys how I do things. I think playing music is an awesome thing. So yeah, enjoy. Thanks.